All right, we got the cylinders cleaned up. Everything's ready for the pistons to go in. I still haven't put the rings on the pistons yet, but by now they probably had time to cool off. So let's go get the pistons, get them up here, get the rings on them so we can start putting them in the motor. So my new toy just got here. Let's play with this for a little bit, get it working so we can actually film ourselves with it. So it looks like I'm just gonna be using it as a tripod today that I can move around. Like so, because I don't have that cord and I just realized I can't do much of anything with it at all. So it is what it is, but where we're at right now is getting, whoops, wrong direction, getting these pistons with rings on them now. So let's get to that. All right, got the rings on the pistons as you can see down here. Look at that, yeah buddy, nice and brand new. So let's get to putting those in the motor. All right, this bottom end is finished. Now it's time to move on and get these heads on it. Yeah! Moving right along. Got the heads on here. Got the rockers on, got all the valve lash set. We are good to go. So let's get the intake on here, get the carburetor on, and get back to work. I was so close to getting it done today. But anyways, the only thing that's holding me up is I still need to put the water pump on, which you brought to me, and I've got to get valve covers on it. Unfortunately, we talked about putting the ones that say 383 stroker on it. I could not find anywhere that had them in stock, that I could get them in time, so I have to order them. It'll be a couple days when they get here. But other than that, it's finished. So finally, my 383 stroker valve covers have gotten here. Yeah, buddy. Get off of that. Get off of that. Give me those. Give me those. Yeah, buddy. Look at that one, bad boys. Yes. Doesn't that look nice? We should get those on the motor. Let's get to work. It is officially done. I just sent the picture to the customer to let him know that the valve covers are here and they are on the motor, and his motor is finished and ready for him to come pick it up. So, alrighty, check that bad boy out. Yeah. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here, click on the share button over here, share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh.